turn on some more. All right, guys, so, I had a hard time getting this thing started yesterday, and I started to think, and I was like, man, I took one of the fuses out to get something else working. I think it was like my thermostat or something in my house. Not my thermostat, but my furnace. And I don't think I had my whole passenger side of my harness plugged in. So, hold on real quick. So, like, let me show you guys. This right here, I didn't have my driver's side. So, like, you guys seen flames on the passenger side because I was getting spark. But my driver's side of my harness wasn't even plugged in, so that's why I was getting such a misfire. So let's try this. I'm gonna put a fuse in here. I got a fuse in there now. Let's see what happens. Alright. Fuel system is set up. This battery is just sitting here. Not part of the game. Not part of the game. Alright. Let's see what happens now. Let's see how much fuel pressure we got. Get that fuel pump kick on. Boom. Only 20. Let's see if we can get some more in there. Now we got some fuel pressure. Let's see what happens. So, it started right up, but died immediately. Like I said, that flywheel, all that stuff, I gotta take care of that. But yeah, it sounded way better. I don't want to keep playing games, but let's play games. Fuck it. So, yeah, I need to figure out why this thing is leaking fuel. But, obviously it won't idle. So I gotta figure that out. But, yeah. Starts right up if we got fuel pressure. So I'll figure that out real quick. Thanks, guys. Later. All right, guys. So just as I suspected, the torque converter is loose. So let's take a look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the starter out with these two bolts right here, and right here. I'm gonna take those out, and then I'm gonna turn the engine, tighten these up. I don't know if I need to put a washer on them or something, because I didn't ream them out. But let's see here. Yeah, so that's the problem right there. So these need to be tightened. I don't know why I didn't tighten those. I must have just didn't think about it. But it's a pretty easy fix. Take the starter off, turn the engine a little bit, and then just put the impact on there and tighten the hell out of them. Or tighten them to the torque, right? All right. Try on some more.
forget to like and comment and subscribe.